Pony, it's me, Rainbow Strike here, and today I'm in Legoland. Right now I'm actually in the little place where they use the Lego places. It's really cool. Here's like the set. I have to focus the camera. So here's like the place where they kind of filmed the Lego Star Wars thing. Not Lego Star Wars, the Lego movie. So here's all the Lego stuff here. Giant. Pretty cool. And here's like the set, the basement where the kid was like messing with stuff and awesomeness. And here's like the movie. There, it's amazing here, Legoland. Here's the giant tower they used for the movie, when they took off that brick and terrorized the city. It's like the Wild West part of the movie. Like a little cool place. Here's like just a space thing. Like there's spaceship guys. I forgot his name. Like the Lego Star Wars stuff, which is amazing. It's awesome. So yeah, I'm just gonna be walking around making videos here in Legoland, and yeah, here's episode 5 of Adventures in California. Legoland, California.
Excuse me.